I love it. That's nice.
Back to joy.
From burnout to joy.
5 steps to motherhood joy.
The thought in your mind is, I'm not giving myself permission. That's why I think I don't know.
I want to know where to focus myself.
I liked your idea though.
This isn't my first draft.
Let them spill it out and then hit.
Okay, time out. What I'm saying is,
Whatever it is, it should be an easy yes without being too psychologically or emotionally confronting.
All about helping you go from passion to profits in your coaching business.
Hot seat coaching is our most favorite activity at the retreat because it allows our clients to be in the middle of the room and be coached by not just me and my team, but also be coached by the entire community and receive insights and feedback and support from their entire coaching community. It also allows us to go really deep into very specific problems and issues they're experiencing right now. So they're able to leave the retreat with the action steps and the problem resolutions they need to propel their business to that next level.
I think I trusted burned out to balance something like that, and it didn't perform as well. Because this is probably about the 6th title that I've tested.
Just off the cuff, give us a couple things. Yeah, work with you. What are they going to get?
So as in the end result, they're going to be more joyful, they're going to be more grateful, they will be, you know.
From burnout to joy.
I'm concerned about the message that I say. Like, am I like daring enough in my messages? Or is it too fluffy and doesn't really catch any attention, you know?
Yeah, and that's sort of my voiceover. I mean, honestly, I struggled, Carolyn, with doing a webinar for so long because I just wanted to go on Facebook Live. You know, I was just like, I just want to talk on camera, live.
What about connection and closeness?
Then all of a sudden their business becomes so much more joyful and more easy, and they work less. And
Are they going for their dreams?
yes, yeah.
I like that word, rescue.
I need to for my brand.
I think I'm being too general with what the takeaways are with the programs. They conflict with each other.
They need to do the work, so you give them the tools, they need to do that.
It's not going to be joyful and fun. They're going to work their asses off, but I'm not going to say it because they're not going to come. If I get it too heavy at the beginning, they're going to get tired before they even subscribe to the program.
So that's what you'll find out. So you already have some ideas on how you want to change and some new values you want to adopt. That's great. To find out more, go to thepowerhousecoach.com.
From Passion to Profits Live, our big annual event for coaches and consultants, is happening this October in New York City. Discover the insider secrets of the millionaire coaches, network with the stars, and learn from the best. Do you want a ticket? For more info, go to FromPassionToProfitsLive.com. You don't want to miss it.